Most cordless hammer drills sold online are underpowered and fail within months. Pick wrong and you waste cash and miss critical drilling jobs. Ever tried to power through masonry with a single battery and watched it stall? This video will guide you to reliable picks and a smooth shopping path. Today, I'm going to be going over the best cordless hammer drill that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the DCA ADJZ2035i13. From the moment you unbox the model, the professional-grade feel becomes obvious through a sturdy case and solid components. The kit immediately signals value with its wide accessory selection and organized storage bag for on-site efficiency. This drill targets both seasoned professionals and motivated do-it-yourself users who demand reliable power and versatile performance. The chassis uses a durable blend of metal and rugged plastics that resist common job site wear and tear over years of use. An ergonomic grip and balanced weight distribution reduce user fatigue during long sessions and overhead drilling tasks. The 1/2-inch keyless chuck enables quick bit changes and accepts a wide range of bits for brick, metal, and wood. The pure copper motor delivers 354 Nm of torque, ensuring strong power for masonry and metal tasks. With a hammer function and 22,500 IPM, it tackles tough materials swiftly and efficiently across surfaces. 2 speed settings allow controlled fastening or high-speed drilling, adapting to project needs without overdriving screws. The 18+1+1 clutch offers granular control to prevent overdriving screws in dense materials. The 2.0 amp-hour battery provides extended runtime and supports a high number of screw drives per charge. In practical testing, the drill handles masonry and wood with consistent performance and reliable clutch engagement under load. A rival from a leading brand offers similar torque, yet this model delivers better balance and lighter handling on long projects. The pros include robust build quality, extended battery life, and versatile clutch settings. The cons include a higher price point and heavier overall weight compared with some lighter competitors. At number 4, we have the DeWalt DCH172b. From the outset, this compact, cordless rotary hammer targets contractors and installers needing portability without sacrificing powerful concrete impact energy during demanding tasks. Its brushless motor and rugged mechanism promise efficient runtime for daily use around joists, walls, and overhead installations. The design emphasizes a lightweight silhouette and compact form that enables comfortable two-handed operation even when drilling overhead in cramped ceilings. The compact ergonomics pair with a sturdy housing to resist drops and job site dust while maintaining precise bit alignment. The brushless motor and German-engineered mechanism deliver reliable power while keeping vibration relatively controlled under load during demanding jobs. Shock's active vibration control reduces fatigue by dampening handle vibrations compared with conventional rotary hammers. This tool delivers 1.4 joules of impact energy, enabling efficient concrete drilling without sacrificing maneuverability in recessed spaces. The mode selector switch enables quick transitions between drill and hammer drill applications for on-site versatility. OSHA Table 1 compliant when paired with a dedicated shroud and dust extractor ensures safer dust control on job sites. In practical tests, the tool delivered long runtime during masonry drilling with steady speed and consistent bit feed. The lightweight design reduced user fatigue during extended sessions, improving control during overhead installations and precise holes. Compared to other power tools in its class, it excels in runtime efficiency and vibration management for long days. When stacked against a leading SDS Plus cordless model from Milwaukee, the DeWalt shows better balance and faster drilling in concrete. The pros include durable build, long runtime, and lightweight design. The cons include higher price and slightly larger size compared to compact models. At number 3, we have the DCA ADJZ2035i13. From the box, this cordless hammer drill presents a purpose-driven design aimed at professional remodelers, electricians, and serious DIY enthusiasts. Rugged yet approachable, the tool carries 3 modes for standard drilling, hammer drilling, and screw driving to simplify on-site versatility. With 2 speed settings and a 22+1+1 torque clutch, it offers precise control across masonry and wood tasks. The brushless motor delivers 600 watts of power while offering energy efficiency around 70%, reducing wear and extending lifespan. The tool uses a sturdy 1/2-inch all-metal chuck that grips bits securely during high-torque drilling. With 3 modes at hand, the device handles standard drilling, hammer drilling, and screw driving for diverse tasks. The capacity reaches 1/2 inch in brick and steel, and 1.5 inches in wood for common applications. On a full charge, the tool is capable of driving hundreds of screws, keeping downtime to a minimum during busy renovation days. Engineered for demanding job sites, the chuck resists heat buildup and maintains grip under prolonged high-torque operations. Construction emphasizes durable materials with a rugged housing that withstands drops and rough handling typical on construction sites. In real-world tests, the hammer drill sustains strong torque when penetrating brick and wood, while the clutch protects bits and fasteners. Compared with a typical brushed hammer drill, this brushless model delivers longer runtime, higher efficiency, and noticeably steadier torque across masonry work. The pros include high torque, exceptionally long runtime under heavy use, a robust all-metal chuck, compact dimensions, and brushless efficiency. The cons include higher price relative to basic models and potential regional variability of spare parts for maintenance. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DCA ADJZ2035i13. For professionals who need portable hammering power without cords, the Shock's active vibration control system helps reduce fatigue on long jobs. Its lightweight, compact design minimizes user fatigue during overhead or restricted access drilling while maintaining solid grip control. The DeWalt ADJZ2035i tool delivers 2.1 joules of impact energy, enabling rapid masonry drilling with manageable operator control. The rotating dial lets you switch among drill, hammer drill, or chip modes for task-specific performance. OSHA Table 1 compliance is achieved when paired with the onboard extractor, improving dust management on site. A brushless motor and durable German-engineered mechanism optimize efficiency, reducing heat and extending runtime under heavy workloads. It sits within the Perform and Protect product family, balancing performance with worker safety through vibration control and ergonomic design. Field tests showed consistent concrete penetration with predictable bit wear and predictable battery consumption during multiple drill passes. The lightweight frame reduced user fatigue during prolonged sessions, enabling more efficient positioning and less compression on the wrists. Compared with a corded Makita drill, this cordless unit trades endless power for on-site reach and flexibility. The pros include exceptionally effective vibration control, lightweight and portable design, an intuitive 3-mode dial for effortless task adaptation. The cons include a higher price point relative to some cordless drills and reduced continuous power compared to corded rivals. Maintenance remains straightforward thanks to the brushless design, while compatibility with other 20-volt DeWalt batteries simplifies field replacements. If you need cordless mobility for drilling into concrete in tight spaces, this DeWalt model offers balanced performance and portability. At number 1, we have the Craftsman CMC-D7011C2. Targeting professionals and serious DIYers, this model slots neatly into the V20 cordless system with familiar battery compatibility and evolving tool ecosystem. Rugged yet light, the tool wears a premium brushed aluminum shell that conveys durability while maintaining comfortable balance during extended sessions. Its 2.4-pound mass keeps it maneuverable for overhead drilling, while the compact profile minimizes user fatigue across long projects. A robust 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck anchors bits securely, reducing slippage when drilling masonry or fastening heavy screws into hardwoods. Capability-wise, it delivers 25,000 BPMs for masonry percussive drilling and a capable wood drilling cadence under load. A 2-speed gearbox tunes performance for drilling and fastening tasks, offering deliberate control in higher speed and torque for heavy materials. The kit includes 2 V20 lithium batteries and a 60-minute or less charger, delivering quick power replenishment between demanding sessions. VersaTrack wall organization compatibility adds shop efficiency by keeping cords, drivers, and bits accessible while maintaining a tidy workspace. The V20 platform optimizes runtime with high-performance cells and a dedicated charger that balances temperature and charge speed during workdays. In field testing, the drill maintains strong performance through dense lumber and masonry tasks, with manageable heat under continuous use. The 2 included batteries sustained extended field sessions, and the compact charger consistently kept pace with rapid, repeat recharges throughout shifts. The ratcheting chuck helps grip heavy bits firmly in masonry and wood, reducing runout and improving precision during tough fastening. Compared with the DeWalt DCD991, this Craftsman CMC-D7011C2 offers similar power at a friendlier price. The pros include durable build with precision engineering, exceptionally long battery runtime, and rapid, efficient charging that minimizes downtime. The cons include the higher price for the kit and the absence of a belt clip, which slightly hinders on belt carry.